When three letters come together, sometimes they make one sound. When three letters come together, sometimes they make one sound. Let's sing the trigraph sounds together. Here we go!
My name is Kim Yarson, creator of Mom's Choice Award-winning courses, ABC's Singing the Sounds, teaching children ages 3 to 9 all of their phonics concepts through songs, worksheets, and fun activities, all with a growth mindset. It's perfect for homeschoolers, preschoolers, and teachers. I have a free course for you right now so you can see how it's all set up in a beautiful learning management system for your children at lms.misskimschildrensmusic.com, or check in the description for the free link to the free course. Thank you so much and enjoy these videos I've made. I love you guys. Bye.
The I-E-R sound. Ear. Sometimes three letters can make a single sound like I-E-R. The sound can be heard at the end of a word or in the middle too. The I-E-R sound with one syllable is ear, as in pier, and ear, as in tier. The I-E-R sound with two syllables is ear, as in piercing, and ear, as in cashier. One more time. The I-E-R sound with one syllable is ear, as in fierce, and ear, as in pierce. The I-E-R sound with two syllables is ear, as in premiere, and ear, as in cashier. That's the sound when you blend I-E-R.